Hello students, this is question number 18th of IOQM 2025 and 26, and the question over here says MTAI is a parallelogram of area 40 by 41 square units such that MI is equal to 1 upon MT. If D is the least possible length of the diagonal MA and D square is equal to A by B, where A and B are the positive integers with GCD equal to 1, then the value of modulus of A minus B is. Now, first of all, the parallelogram which you can consider over here can be like this. Now this is M T A I. Now along with that they said that Mi is equal to 1 upon Mt. So Mi is equal to 1 upon Mt means, so if I'm considering this length as x, so this length is going to be equal to 1 by x. So is this length, and this length is going to be equal to x. Now Ma, this is the diagonal which we were talking about, and this diagonal length, for a timing, I'll just call it as 1. Now, the area of this parallelogram MTAI, they have already mentioned to be equal to 40 by 41. So for a timing, if I'm calling this angle as theta, then I can write over here that 2 times of half into x into 1 by x into sine theta, this value is going to be equal to 40 by 41. So from here, I'll just get the value of sine theta is going to be equal to 40 by 41. Now, from here, I can just calculate the value of cos theta. So cos theta is going to be equal to 49 by 41. Now, cos theta, once we got, now this cos theta is going to be equal to, now I can just apply into a triangle MT and A cosine rule. So that is going to be equal to 1 by x square plus x square minus y square divided by 2 times of x into 1 by x. Now I got a relation from here between x and y. And that relation, if I'm going to see, will be that x square plus 1 by x square minus y square is going to be equal to 9 by 41 into 2. Now, if we got this condition, then I can write from here that y square is going to be equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 18 by 40. Now, y square from here is going to be greater than or equal to, now I can apply a AMGM over here. So this is going to be greater than equal to 2 minus 18 divided by 41. So y square will be going to be greater than or equal to, this is 64 by 41. Therefore, the value of y square minimum that has been given equal to D is going to be equal to 64 by 41. And if it is been equal to 64 by 41, then in that case, the value of A minus B modulus is going to be equal to modulus of 64 minus 41, and which has been given equal to 23. And hence 23 has to be the final answer, and the same is been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.